May the spirit of Christmas bring you peace, the gladness of Christmas give you hope, and the warmth of Christmas grant you love. Merry Christmas to one and all present here. Today, I, Karnivas, welcome you all to the Christmas assembly presented by grade 6B and 6C.
Let's all take a moment and relax. Let's forget about the hassles of life and focus on the calmness within us. I request everyone to join our hands for the morning prayer.
With positivity and a fresh mindset. Now, I would like to invite Irsheen and Arsheen to share the thought of the day with us.
Today's thought of the day is Christmas is about love, giving and kindness year round. Not only one day, the good you do for others also benefits you. I repeat, Christmas is about love, giving and kindness year round. Not only one day, the good you do for others also benefits you.
The code means that the spirit of Christmas, love, sharing and giving should last beyond just one day. It suggests that kindness and good deeds should be practiced year-round as doing good for others also benefits ourselves. Thank you.
Staying updated with current events is crucial. Let's hear today's news headlines from Siraj, Jason, Adadeep and Arati.
पेपर मोडले सीजन एक्सपेक्टेड सोर्सेस प्रथा अंडर रोजगार मेला नरेंद्र मोदी to disturb over 71,000 appointed letters to record in government.
Good morning everyone. Today I'm going to share international news. Albania announces shutdown of TikTok for at least a year. Israeli strikes kill 17 Palestinians in Gaza. Former Supreme Court Judge Justice Madan Lokar appointed chairperson of United Nations Internal Justice Council. UN imposes more sanctions over Pakistan's missile program. Dutch authorities fined 4.75 million euros over personal data leak. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Today's sports news is Samriddhi Mandhana's 91 runs and Renuka Thakur's 5 wickets helped India women to 6-3 after Mohammad Salah and Diaz score a brace. India's under-19 women bag Asia Cup.
Good morning everyone. Today's weather report is today's minimum temperature in Mohali will be 9 degrees Celsius and maximum will be 18 degrees Celsius. There are 35% of chances of rain. Thank you.
Thank you for a briefing. Thanks for sharing the news with us. Now, I would like to invite Manzirat and Alicia to share the thought of the day with us.
Bells ring loud and clear, filling hearts with joy and cheer. The world adorned in red and white shimmers bright in winter's night. Snowflakes dance in the frosty air, a time for love, a time to care. Families gather, stories unfold, warming hearts in the winter's cold. The star Bethlehem shines so high, guiding us all with the hope nearby. Gifts are distinct, but the greatest of all is kindness and love, no matter how small. So this Christmas, let's make a start to give with joy and open heart. For the spirit of Christmas is more than a day, it's light in our hearts to guide our way. Thank you.
Christmas is all about the joy of giving and being happy. Let's see an example of this through a skit.
Why are we so restless?
Cozy living room, decorated for Christmas with a small tree and fairy lights. Children are sitting around the Christmas tree, excitedly scribbling on their letters to Santa about their wishes.
Dear Santa,
Dear Santa, my robots are very old. They make weird sounds too. I wish for a new robot this year. Your dearest Cobra. Dear Santa, I have many stationery items, but all of them are old. I will donate them to needy people. I wish for new stationery items for this year. Your lovingly.
Dear Santa, Dear Santa.
Dear Santa, I am an artist. I love to paint, draw and sketch. That is why I wish for a new art set this year. Thank you. Yours adoringly, Arshin, the artist.
Santa, I want to be a construction site owner. When I grow up, this Christmas, I would love to have a Christmas block set. Thank you. Yours affectionately, Juban. Dear Santa, I would like to buy a toy remote control car this year. Your warmly, Jumpage.
Dear Santa, I am very fond of Lego. So this Christmas, I would love to have a new Lego set. Thank you. Your tenderly Nolihan.
What's all this? What are you writing?
We are writing letters to Santa. Mom, we are telling him exactly what we want for Christmas.
Oh, that sounds interesting.
Mom, my friends have some questions. Can you please answer them?
Of course, Cobra. What's on your mind, kids?
Why do we celebrate Christmas?
Christmas is actually the celebration of birth of Jesus Christ. He was born a long time ago in a place called Bethlehem. People believe that he came to bring love, peace and kindness to the world. His message was simple. Treat others the way you want to be treated.
What is the significance of Christmas bell?
Christmas bell. The bell symbolizes joy, peace and the announcement of Christ's birth, spreading goodwill and blessings.
Why do we put trees and what's the story behind this?
Christmas tree symbolizes life and renewal, especially during the winter season when many plants are dormant. Christmas tree doesn't lose its leaf. It's also seen as a symbol of everlasting life.
What about Santa? Is he real?
Santa is a part of fun of Christmas. He may not be real, but the spirit of giving joy to others is real. Santa reminds us that it's more joyful to give to others other than to receive, and reminds us and encourages us to share love and gifts with people around us, just like he does for children all over the world.
Christmas is another opportunity to pause, reflect,